this right now. Again. Who fixes your car? Who takes care of everything else? He's saying, no, it's not you. It's mommy. No.
When you agree to co-sign, and she said, you go to her, obviously, and say, I want to get this car. Well, what kind of car is it?
It's off and running.
Sparks. It's gonna really suck if we smoke the microwave before we get to the end of stuff.
That's okay.
Not do anything.
It's smoking, dude.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Sparks
Yeah, because
are
that's a
blowing
metal
up the
foil
bottom.
across the top of it.
We get lots of smoke.
Nice. Wow.
What happened to the glass tray? I think that should be in it.
It's right here.
Look at the top of the mic.
Uh-oh.
Time's up.
Where's that?
It's right there.
Okay. I want to put that back in it.
Give me one of those speakers.